MBA Crash Course on Market Research and Competitive Analysis. Introduction. Welcome to this MBA Crash Course on Market Research and Competitive Analysis. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the essential concepts, methods, and techniques used to gather market insights and evaluate competitive landscapes. Throughout the course, we will share interesting stories and examples to make the learning experience more engaging and exciting. Section 1. Market Research. Market research is a vital component of any successful business strategy. It involves gathering data and information about customers, competitors, and the overall market to make informed decisions. Let's delve into the top 12 market research techniques. 1. Surveys and Questionnaires. Surveys and questionnaires involve gathering data by asking targeted questions to a sample of individuals or organizations. This method provides valuable insights into customer preferences, buying behavior, and satisfaction levels. 2. Interviews. Interviews allow researchers to have direct conversations with individuals or groups to obtain qualitative data. In-depth interviews provide a deeper understanding of customer motivations, needs, and perceptions. 3. Focus groups. Focus groups bring together a small group of individuals to discuss a specific topic or product. This method encourages open dialogue and provides qualitative insights into customer opinions, preferences, and perceptions. 4. Observational research. Observational research involves observing and recording customer behavior in real-life situations. This method provides unbiased insights into how customers interact with products, services, or environments. 5. Ethnographic research. Ethnographic research immerses researchers in the customer's natural environment to observe their behavior, rituals, and cultural influences. This technique helps uncover deep insights into customer experiences and motivations. 6. Social media listening. Social media listening involves monitoring and analyzing conversations and mentions on social media platforms. It provides real-time insights into customer sentiment, brand perception, and emerging trends. 7. Online analytics. By analyzing website traffic, user behavior, and online interactions, online analytics help identify customer preferences, browsing patterns, and conversion rates. This method is valuable for optimizing online marketing strategies. 8. Market segmentation. Market segmentation involves dividing a market into distinct groups based on characteristics such as demographics, psychographics, and behaviors. It enables companies to tailor their marketing efforts to specific customer segments. 9. Customer profiling. Customer profiling involves creating detailed profiles of target customers, including their demographics, preferences, and needs. It helps businesses understand their customers and develop effective marketing strategies. 10. Competitive benchmarking. Competitive benchmarking involves comparing a company's products, services, or performance against its competitors. This analysis helps identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. 11. Mystery shopping. Mystery shopping entails hiring individuals to pose as customers and evaluate the customer experience. It provides insights into service quality, employee interactions, and overall customer satisfaction. 12. Secondary research. Secondary research involves analyzing existing data, reports, and studies conducted by other organizations or researchers. It helps gather market trends, industry insights, and competitor information. Section 2. Competitive analysis. Competitive analysis is crucial for understanding the competitive landscape and making strategic business decisions. Let's explore the top 12 competitive analysis techniques. 1. SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis assesses a company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It helps identify competitive advantages and areas that require improvement. 2. Porter's 5 forces. Porter's 5 Forces framework analyzes the competitive dynamics of an industry by evaluating the bargaining power of buyers and suppliers, the threat of new entrants, the threat of substitute products, and the intensity of rivalry among competitors. 3. Competitor profiling. Competitor profiling involves researching and analyzing the strategies, strengths, weaknesses, and performance of key competitors. It helps identify competitive advantages and areas for differentiation. 4. Market share analysis. Market share analysis measures a company's sales or revenue relative to the total market size. It provides insights into a company's position in the market and its competitiveness compared to other players. 5. Product comparison. Product comparison involves evaluating the features, pricing, quality, and performance of a company's products or services against its competitors. This analysis helps identify areas of differentiation and opportunities for improvement. 6. Pricing analysis. Pricing analysis examines the pricing strategies and structures of competitors. It helps companies determine optimal pricing levels and identify pricing gaps in the market. 7. Brand perception analysis. Brand perception analysis assesses how consumers perceive a company's brand compared to its competitors. It provides insights into brand reputation, customer loyalty, and the effectiveness of branding strategies. 8. Key success factors analysis. Key success factors analysis identifies the critical factors that determine success in a particular industry. It helps companies understand the key drivers of competition and develop strategies to gain a competitive edge. 9. Market positioning. Market positioning involves defining how a company wants to be perceived in the market relative to its competitors. It helps differentiate the company's offerings and target specific customer segments effectively. 10. Value chain analysis. Value chain analysis examines the activities and processes involved in creating and delivering a product or service. It helps identify areas of competitive advantage and opportunities for cost optimization. 11. Technological analysis. Technological analysis evaluates the technological capabilities and innovations of competitors. It helps companies understand the competitive landscape in terms of technology and identify areas for technological advancement. 12. Strategic partnerships analysis. Strategic partnerships analysis assesses the alliances and partnerships formed by competitors. It helps identify potential threats and opportunities arising from collaborations in the market. Section 3, Summary. In this MBA Crash Course on Market Research and Competitive Analysis, we have explored the essential techniques used to gather market insights and evaluate the competitive landscape. Market research techniques such as surveys, interviews, focus groups, and social media listening provide valuable customer insights, while competitive analysis techniques such as SWOT analysis, Porter's 5 Forces, and competitor profiling help understand the competitive dynamics. By mastering these techniques, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills to make informed business decisions, identify market opportunities, and create effective strategies for success. Poem. In the realm of markets, where fortunes reside, market research and analysis serve as our guide. With surveys and interviews, we delve deep within to understand customers and the worlds they're in. Focus groups unite, diverse voices unite. Sharing opinions, perspectives ignite. Observational research unveils the truth. As customers engage, in pursuit of proof. Social media speaks, a chorus so loud. We listen attentively, amidst the crowd. Online analytics, data's rich stream. Unveiling behaviors, a marketer's dream. Market segmentation, dividing the tide into groups distinct, where needs coincide. Customer profiles, personas come alive. Guiding marketing efforts, as we strive. In the realm of competition, where battles are fought. Competitive analysis, lessons dearly bought. SWOT analysis reveals strengths and flaws. Porter's 5 Forces, the industry's jaws. Competitor profiling, strategies unfold. Market share analysis, stories untold. Product comparisons, features align. Pricing analysis, where value is defined. Brand perception speaks, reputation's grace. Key success factors, winning the race. Market positioning, a distinct voice. Value chain analysis, optimizing choice. Technological advances, a landscape transformed. Strategic partnerships, alliances adorned. Through analysis and insight, we gain the edge. In markets we compete, where success is pledged. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our and Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.